Hello, Bandit. Well, baby, you got a snotty nose. I can clean your nose. What matter? What matter? Where you going? You better not bite my ear. What? You better not bite my ear. Oh my God, there's a bird on my shirt. You better not bite my ear. What are you doing? Are you eating my hair? You're eating my hair. Oh, no, you're not eating my hair. What are you wiping your snot in my hair? Come on. What are you doing? Don't you snap at me, mister. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Where are you going? Come on. What matter? Don't you bite my ear. Come on. Oh, poor baby. You better not bite me. Booger. What? What'd you say? What'd you say? Huh? Bandit? Where you going? Where you going, Bandit? For real? Oh, don't you bite me, you little butthead. What? What? Bandit? What are you doing? What are you doing, pretty bird? Oh, you put the ass in the camera, huh? Oh, for real? You're talking up a storm here, but you're not talking very loud. Oh, yeah? You want to say hi to the camera? Say hello. Bandit. You want to meow? Meow. Meow. Bandit. Come here. Oh, don't you bite me. Bandit. Bird. Bandit. Bird. Oh, yeah? Where's the end go? Bandit. You gonna fart? Make your fart noise. Go. Say Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell. Come on. Don't you bite me. Ah, you're getting my hair again. You bite me. Bandit. Bandit. Come on, buddy. That feels so weird. You walking across my back like that, buddy. Come on. Come on, get back up here. Come on. Bandit. Bandit! Come on. Ah. Come on. Come on. Get back up here. You're tickling my back! Come on, get up here. Come on, Bandit. Come on, buddy. Get up here. Come on. Bandit. Bandit. Come on. Get up here. Hello. Hello. You say hello? Let's go answer the phone. Come on, let's go answer the phone. Look, Bandit. Look, Bandit. Hello? Bandit! Where are you going? Come on. Are you eating my shirt? Quit eating my shirt! First it's my hair and then it's my shirt. What the heck? Come on, buddy. Come on. Ah, that tickles. Hey, bandit. Are you eating my hair? Stop eating my hair. Stop eating. Are you eating my swimsuit top? That's what you're doing. You're eating my swimsuit top. Come on. Don't you snap at me. Say hello, bandit. You want to walk in the kitchen? Oh, buddy, that tickles. Where are you going? Oh, that's my ear. Don't touch my ear. Hey. I know you didn't try to bite my ear. You want to go in the kitchen? You go in the kitchen? Oh! You're trying to bite me. I'm trying to bite me. Ah! You little fucker! I'll beat your ass. Here, get on the chair. Here, get on the chair. Alright. Bandit! You gonna check out the turtle? Where's the turtle? Want to check out the turtle? Check out the turtle? Come here. Oh, poor bandit. Don't you bite me. I'll beat you in the head. Yeah, I will. Look, you got snot and shit all over your beak. Yeah, you do. Come here, let me. Don't you bite me. I'm trying to help you out here. Come here. Stop. That's gross. Turn your head. Don't you bite me, mister. That's disgusting. You're gonna have to do something about that. Come on. Turn your head. Wow. Poor baby. Poor baby. Look at that. That's disgusting. Don't you bite me. I'll leave you there. I won't put you back on your cage. Come on. You're gonna fall backwards. Look at that. You're gonna fall backwards. Don't you bite me. You gonna talk to me? Bandit. Bandit. Meow. Gonna meow? Meow. You're not gonna meow today, are you? Do it. Oh, you're gonna whistle. Is Bandit a pretty bird? Yeah. Bandit. Why you gotta be such a butthead? Bandit. Say hello, Bandit. Say hello. See the turtle? There's my turtle. Hello, turtle. Here, Bandit. No, don't bite me. You want back on your cage? You want back on your cage? You better not bite me. Put your head down so I pet you. Come on. Stop! Fine, you'll stay on the chair. I won't put you back on your cage. You want a peanut? You want a peanut? Here, let me get you a peanut. Don't go nowhere. It's a peanut. Oh, look at the peanut. You know what this is, huh, buddy? You want a peanut? There you go. Alright. What the heck are you throwing it down for? Pick it up. You don't want your peanut? Here, it's your peanut. It's your peanut. See? Good going. Make a mess all over my chair. You want back on your cage?